So talking about the FlexiSand, great machine that can do a variety of things. Can you just run me through what you can typically use a FlexiSand for?
All right, so as we discussed with the belt sanders, when you're doing aggressive sanding, you'd follow that on with a FlexiSand or a Bona buffing machine. You're going through medium grit abrasives through to your fine grit abrasives, and then you're going to the fine abrasives to prepare the floor for either oiling or lacquering and finishing with our water-based coatings. Following on from that, you can also use the Bona FlexiSand for buffing on our oil products. You would also use it for intermediate sanding between coats of lacquers or primers and lacquers. So in respect of that, it's quite versatile as a one machine to go to after all your aggressive sanding has been done, and when you start going on to the processing of the floor with the coatings and our finishing products.
So we can change it from a sander to a finisher using the Power Drive and then the Quattro, and we can also apply the product with it as well.
Yeah, using the single drive board, you can apply oils with that typically. Also, because it's a multi-head dry plate, you can also use the what we call the Power Drive Connect for using different types of accessories on it. So we can have steel brushing kits added to it. You can also use our Bona fibre pad. This is for light texturing of floors. So there's quite a multitude of uses for it. Definitely a machine that you want on board for wood floor finishing.
And just coming away from wood floor finishing, as well as sanding wooden floors, what other applications can we use the FlexiSand for? Can we polish stone? Can we grind concrete? Things like that?
100%. One of the accessories that comes with the Bona FlexiSand is a drive unit called a PCD disc, and this can be used with magnetic segments that are used for diamond cutting of rough or coarse concrete floors. You can also use some of the other fittings that are for removing old paint residues or adhesive residues. So that piece of equipment is quite versatile for that in preparing subfloors. I mentioned the fibre discs or the fibre pads. This is a dry system of texturing wood. Oak is an ideal wood to be using it on. You can soft texture it, you don't leave any scratches, you don't leave any marks. So for oiling floors, perfect little kit.
So that's, once you've gone over the fibre pads, that's ready to finish?
Yeah, I mean typically you'd go over and possibly, depending on if there's any imperfections in that process, you'd go on with the Bona Diamond 120 abrasive. And this is a sort of abrasive that we specify for most of our finishes. If you're just going with a speed sort of sanding route on a floor that's relatively easy to process, and you're going on with lacquer, a lacquer coat, it's a little bit more forgiving than oils. The oil systems really accentuate any sanding problems that you've got there. So the Bona abrasive system, we go through a standard regime or a standard system that we advise contractors to use. Obviously contractors have their own designs, but our advice is to go through our sanding system using high quality Bona abrasives and finishing with a good finishing abrasive for oiling and the coatings that we apply.